Hello, it's Teacher Lily here. Welcome back to my channel. And this video is about editing your videos from your iPhone. Super easy, super fast, and you can make your videos look awesome. I've gotten a lot of questions, people asking me how do I edit my videos, and I decided why not show you. So in this video I'm going to show you a real quick little tutorial on how I edit my videos on my iPhone. It's an app called InShot, and I'm going to show you that. So check it out.
Once you download the app, click on video, select whatever video you want to edit. It's gonna load. As you can see, I'm using my Ni Hao video. You can remove the logo. Just click remove once so you don't have to pay for it. You can do it every time you edit a new video. Just remove it. Then you can change the way you want the video to the format. So I usually use YouTube so that it's in landscape mode. You can zoom in and out for the size that you want. If you want it to be zoomed in, it's fine. It's all about preference, guys. You can do whatever you want. It has filters. You can change the filters on it. There's just so many. If you get the Pro, you can add more. But honestly, like I said, I use the free version and I use what it has. See that? You can flip it. Don't mind my video. I'm just showing you guys. Don't make fun of me. You can change the effects on it as well, and you can adjust it. I think this is such a cool app. Music, guys. You can add music. You can add music that's already preloaded from InShot. You can use your iTunes if you have music. I don't keep music in my iTunes. You can put like sound effects, people clapping, laughing, just cool stuff you can add to your video. You can make it really, really cool. You just have to play around with it, mess with it, see what's in it. Before you actually do the real editing, mess with it. Look at all the features. That way you learn and you can have awesome videos. You can add text. As you can see, I'm clicked on text and it added a little text box. Click on the color. You could change the color. You could change the border. You cannot have a border if you don't want to. You can change the font. See that? It's so cool. I like the ones with the border. I think it stands out more. You can zoom it. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. You can flip it around, actually. You can turn it. If you grab the little two-way arrow there on the right-hand corner of the text, you can flip it. Super cool. You don't have to be a pro. As you can see, I'm not a pro. I am definitely not a pro. Look, you can add stickers. These are animated stickers that come already with InShot. These are your emojis that you have on your phone. So you can add those emojis and you can make them bigger. If they're too small, you can just make them bigger, stretch them out. You can upload onto InShot as well new stickers. They have tons for free for like all the holidays. They have a lot for free. I love the animated ones. I think it gives it a cool look. And of course, you can make them bigger. You can change the duration of that sticker on your video. If you want it to be, if you want it to be a little short, you can stretch it or shorten it. Look, I made it longer, like for a portion of the video. just play around with it. You're going to learn. The only way you're going to learn is hands-on. This is how I learned. No one taught me how to use any of these apps. I'm very hands-on. I'm not afraid to like just go and mess around with it and just do it. That's my suggestion, guys. Look, you have more features. You can speed up your video, you can make it faster, you can make it slower, and it's very simple. It's very, I think this app is very well designed. It's easy to follow. It just tells you exactly what to do.
This is where I live.
Look, I made it slower. You can adjust the speed. If you can add multiple clips onto this app to create one seamless video, the same exact way that I added this particular video.
So there you have it, guys. This is a quick little tutorial on how you can edit your videos. Very simple. You just have to play around and basically just use whatever features you want. I use the free version. I don't even have the pro version. You can use the pro version if you want. But I've been using the free version for a long time, and I've used many different apps to edit videos, and by far InShot is my favorite one. So check it out, see for yourself. It's free, it doesn't hurt. Just download it to your phone, record your videos as you want, and then you can upload it onto there and edit away. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll leave a link for the app on here as well. If you have any suggestions on other videos that you would like for me to make, also leave that below. And it is my pleasure to help you guys out. See you soon. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like. Don't forget.